Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Alex on Cars YouTube channel. And it seems like years I filmed something on YouTube, and I decided to come back to this. And what a nice day to film a video. It's warmy, it's sunny, it's 28 degrees, and we're in November. It's 28 degrees in November, and it's so bright and shiny, it's warm. It's even make me turn on my AC in my car. This video today about my new daily car. It's a cheap car. I make for myself a challenge, like to buy a cheap car to use on a daily basis. And in a few moments I show you the car. I film here today in, as you can see, IKEA store. Of course it's closed because of COVID situation, and I want to show you my car. It's not new car. It's I should have to say it's dirty. It's not in good conditions outside. Mechanically it's fixed. I show you now. As you can see, it's 2009 MK2 Ford Focus. It's 1.6 petrol, 102, 105 horsepower. It doesn't matter. It's 3 horses. Didn't do any difference in the car. It's automatic. It's 4-speed auto gearbox. There is no manual focuses from this generation in my country, so the only choice was take the automatic one. And as you can see, these are like few days there's pouring rain, so the car is really filthy. You can see it's mud everywhere, even in the side you can see it's very muddy, very dirty. It's in a blue color, and I have to take it to clean the car. It looks awful, and it's in good condition. It's after MOT, and I replaced the timing belt, water pump, cooling system, and front brake disc, brake pads, water pump, rear shock absorbers. Now you have to fix front shock absorbers. One of them leaking, so I replaced both. As you can see, it's a hatchback, so it's 5-door car. I prefer 5-door. It's, for me, it looks better. I have some few stickers on the back from Czech Republic. It's like here, and another 2 stickers over here. And I have parking sensors. Basically the car is stock. I lose somewhere a wheel cap. I don't know where. I need to fix that. Maybe I found some wheel cap, or maybe I just paint my wheels. I don't know. And it's, as you can see, it's scratchy outside. It's very muddy. You can see actually nothing. It's really dirty, and I get some part missing here. There is some chrome part. I bought it like this, so I don't know, someone lose it somewhere. And I show you inside. It's also very dirty inside. As you can see, the mud is everywhere. It's basically in good shape for like 11 years old car. It's done 211,000 kilometers, which I did 11,000 of them in like 3 months. So I drive a lot the car. I love drive the car. One of the reasons why I bought this car is the driving. Yes, I know it's 1.6 liter automatic. It's not a fast car, But one feature I do really like in this car, and come with me underneath the car, I can show you, it's the independent rear suspension. You can see, yes, one there and there. This actually I replaced these two parts, and it drives really good. Actually, I don't know if you can see it from here, there is a negative camber, so the wheels like go a little bit to the left side. It's improving cornering, and it's hydraulic steering wheel, which I really like, so you get the feel from the steering in the corners. Yes, the corners in slow speed, but when you go in the corners a little bit faster, you can feel what's going on the front wheels. You can feel the underneath the car. It's actually very surprised for that type of car, so you don't expect it to be very fast. And I just have to go and wash the car. It looks awful. It started. You just have to turn on the air conditioner. It's hot, it's 28 degrees. The temperature said 28 degrees in November. How cool is that? Maybe a lot of my British audience said, oh, you get the weather, a British weather, and this and that, so it's cold, it's windy, it's rainy. But it's November, it's not should be this warm. Seatbelt, safety first. And let's drive to the car wash. And it's not far away from here, it's like a few minutes. I really like the smoothness of the car. You do feel, you can see it on the camera, it's a little bit bumpy, like on a small bumps, on sharper bumps. You can feel the suspension, the traveling of the suspension, the bumping. The damping, it's a bit hard on a slow speed, and on the high speed, if you get some bump in the middle of the corner, you do feel some body roll. I don't know, I want to try to find out how to fix that. I can lower in the car and put some more stiffer springs and dampers, but I don't want to be the car. Most of the time I drive in the city or regular daily basis. I don't want my car be too stiff, so I go to the work and the shopping and be bumpy over all the way, because in Israel the roads it's like in UK, it's not a smooth German roads, they're very bumpy. And on the other side, when I'm cornering, I don't want to feel this body roll. I want to see how can I fix this. You can see the bump. Yes, this was a big one, and I try maybe some adaptive dumping, maybe some beach times. I don't know, because the body roll, it's not that big, but you do feel the traveling of the suspension in the middle of corner when you're cornering, and some a bump in the middle of corner. You do feel it. That's the benefit of the independent rear suspension and the hydraulic steering. Even now in the cornering in a roundabout, it's like 50 kilometers an hour, and you feel the steering, you feel this, but the body roll is on the soft side. And let's find out fuel economy in this car. Now I'm doing a it's most of the time city driving. It's like 8.5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's not bad. It's not bad. Sometimes it's go up to 10. On the highway, it's go like 5.5 up to 6.5, depend on your speed. On the highway, it's like 130 kilometers an hour. So the fuel consumption it's go up. And in the city, it depends on the traffic. If you go afternoon, it's a lot of stop and go traffic, so the fuel consumption is bad. So it depends on this. In average, it's like 10 liters in 100 kilometers in average. So sometimes more, sometimes it's less. I do feel my brakes. The brake is very good. I fitted upgraded discs and brake pads, so I do feel them. The pedal feel, it's really good. It's like, I don't think it's notch, but what you touching, what the amount of touching, the press you put on the brake, that's what you get. It's not like some cars I drove. It's like you press the brake, it's like nothing, and boom, and then you get whole brakes. No, this one, it's like what you press, that's what you get. This thing I really like. I was tracking this car a few times, and it's easy to put the nose inside the corner and manage your braking. So it's more precise, more easy, and that's what I like on this car. So as you can see, there's a lot of traffic. Everybody finish their jobs and they go home. So I meet you in a car wash.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started.
As you can see, the car is really clean. They washed all the dirtiness. I do really like my sticker. They washed all the mud from the car. You can see even here, down there, it's clean. Now you can see the scratches, all the damage on the car. Look at these wheels, they now bright and shiny. How mud is gone. You remember how muddy it was here? I can see myself in the door right now. It's really clean. definitely worth the price, worth the time spending. Yeah, I really do appreciate them. They work really hard. And inside the car, I can show you, it's really clean too. Yeah, the plastic bag, because of my med issue, you can see how thing it's clean. It's very clean. Whole dash, there is no sign of dust, mud, nothing. Check out the back doors. Very nice and clean. So we're done with the car cleaning, and my next thing to do today, first fill up the car, check the tire pressure. I think they're a bit on the low side, and today I go to Alfa Romeo Lancia. It's actually Italian classic cars meeting. It's like 1 hour, 20 minutes from where I live. So get there and I will meet you on the road. So we filled up, buy some cold drinks and some American nuts. It's a snack for the way. And here we go. I hope that the traffic not gonna be so bad. Thank you, sir. So it's not gonna take too much time. It's Friday afternoon, it's like day off, and meet you on the way. As you can see, I'm racing against the sun. The sun's go down, and I don't want to come too late on a meeting because it's hard to see something in the dark and hard to film in the dark. I hope I will be just in time. I just passed halfway there. The ride is smooth, no traffic jams, nothing. I just 120. That's the speed limit. And I hope sun be on my side and not on against me. And we almost arrived. And sun is just gets down. I think 20 minutes, maybe half an hour of flight, and I try to film as many cars as it could be possible because of the darkness. Two really cool cars behind me, some nice Mustang and Skoda Octavia VRS. I let them pass, maybe we can hear some exhaust noise. Let's see if we can hear some noise. I let them pass me. No, the Skoda is very quiet. And interesting, behind me some really cool car. I get, yes, this is one, that's what I think it is. You're gonna see in a moment. I film it on the meeting, the parking spot. Hi guys, and we arrived at the meeting. As you can see, there's plenty of cars around. Some nice American cars, Italian cars, modified cars, and a lot of cool stuff. Let me show you the cars we did. Some nice Subaru FTI. Now you can see what we have here. This is CTS V 6.2 liter supercharged V8, and it's not just a usual CTS V. As I spotted just now, this car get really aggressive rear tires. It's like maybe drag tires for drag races, I don't know. They very aggressive. They're different from the front tires. In the front it's a Continental tires. At the back I think it's for drag races. This beside is very nice equipped Chevy Impala. I think it's 1990s. Then you get very nice Jaguar XJ. More Alphas. Get in a minute. This very nice old Alpha. Really nice conditions. Very nice pack. In the green Alfa Romeo Spider. Another Alfa Romeo. Another classic Alfa Romeo. I heard some really nice car. 996 Porsche Turbo. 996? No, it's 997. Really nice. Some very nice Maserati Ghibli. Very nice color. Very suit the car. And this next to the Maserati, there is some interesting car. It's a Subaru WRX station wagon. They are really rare, so you don't see them very often. But it's really good. There is some nice sound. Interesting what it is. Really nice pack. There is another future person. Nice sound. Classic Porsche. Sounds really good. Sounds really good. Let's get back to this M5. Natural aspirated V10, 5 liters. Carbon fiber hood. Really. These cars you don't see very often. Fiat 500. But beside this one, you get the Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2. What a freaking nice car. Very nice bright yellow. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. It's like Subaru Forester STI. It's like family wagon with kids. Interesting. You don't see them very often too. Interesting thing. Very cool spec car. And here you can see plenty of cool Alphas. I think it's GTV. This is Giulia from, I think, late 70s, early 80s. GTV, Alpha Spider, really nice Alpha Spider. Alpha 75, I think. Alpha 33, Alpha 159, and this is the cool one, 156 GTA Wagon 3.2 liter V6 manual gearbox. It's insane cool and insanely rare. You didn't see them. I think it's my second time I see this car. And I forgot to show you a very nice one. Fiat Uno Turbo. You don't see them. It's my, I think, second time I see Fiat Uno Turbo. It's like original spec with original wheels, sunroof, black color, and you can see the badge here, Turbo IE. I think mechanically it's modified. I don't know. Maybe start it up and we can hear it. So guys, that's it. I show you as much as I can cars, and the meeting is over. It's dark. Everybody go home, and I go and have some pretty late lunch. And see you in the next video. Thank you.